I know the lighting is absolutely terrible, and it's because I just don't have a good, like, my lights aren't up here now. If you couldn't notice, I'm in a different vehicle. As you can tell from the last one, mine is in the shop, so I'm borrowing a car right now. And yeah, so the lighting is absolutely terrible because it's not in a good location, which sucks. But I think you guys can still see me, which is good. But we are on the way to the gym. I know you guys have yet to. Um, you guys have been waiting for another gym video, right? All my loyal viewers, all 20 of them. Yeah. Uh, um, yeah. So I got my pre. I finally got a shaker instead of having to use a Gatorade bottle, which you probably have done. I'm silly. I got another bucked up one. Um, we got our creatine. We got our citrulline, our pre workout. We are good to go. Different flavor this time. We're on the grape one because during the sale, I bought like grape blue raz and then a mother bucker. Uh, don't really use a mother bucker that often. I don't really like it that much. But I do like the woke AF. Do like it a lot. Um, so I'm just waiting for another sale of those. I have one can left, and I just opened it today. So yeah, I'm hoping they go on sale soon. Like do a really good sale because I don't really like. Yeah, I don't really like. Switching up the flavors. I like sticking on one flavor. I'm weird like that when it comes to pre-workout stuff. I hope you guys can hear me pretty well. I've kind of got my mic. I don't know. I dang, I cannot see. These mirrors suck. Um, but yeah, so we're on the way to the gym. I know it's a new angle. Normally it's like right there, but it's up top this time, and you can actually see me probably a little bit better. But yeah, so we are on the way. Um, music time. We're gonna talk about some music I've been listening to recently. Mostly been just same EDM, just some hardcore, some hard style, some techno in there, some hard techno, a little bit of house in there. We dabble in the house a little bit. Um, Rufus the Soul. I did see them in concert. It was a great concert. Odeza, can't go wrong with them. They are fire. I'll never forget that concert. That concert was absolutely amazing. Like it was great. Like it, honestly, like I bought those tickets for like $20 too. Like, and it was just like I went by myself. Like I didn't go with anybody, but it honestly was such a good investment to just go, like just by myself. Just why not? Like not like going to concerts by yourself. Like, I mean, some people think that's weird. I don't. I do most of the stuff by myself now, and I'm fine with it. I wanted to go see them, right? And so I did, and great experience, worth my money, worth every single penny. I would have paid like $50 for that concert. Pitbull, you gotta always rock some Pitbull in there. I know some people don't really like Pitbull. If you don't like Pitbull, I don't know what's wrong with you. You got a little bit of an issue in your head. I mean, you can't not like Pitbull. You know what I mean? Like you gotta have a smile on your face when you listen to Pitbull. I mean, it's like perfect summer vibes. Like I've gone to two of his concerts now. The one that's coming in Charlotte, it's like $250 for a ticket. And I'm like, I ain't spending that. Like I'd spend 50 or 60 on a ticket because I mean it's worth it. It really is. It's always great to go to his concert. I mean, so much energy, so much like just great time. Honestly, great time. So I'd go to another Pitbull concert, and then I don't know. I wanted to go to the Travis Scott one, but because of my work at the time, I was unable to go because it started like right when I got off of work, so I couldn't go to that. And the tickets I could have got for like $7 for the nosebleed, and I would have gone to that because it seemed fire. Drake, I probably should have got tickets to that. That seemed sick. Drake and 21. Been to an NF concert. That was awesome. Drove all the way to Greensboro for that. Um, yeah, no, I've gone to quite a few concerts over the past year. And then, before I was like 18, I didn't go to any, and so now I go to quite a few, and I think concerts are fun. It's just it's different, Like it's hard to explain. Like I don't know, especially Pitbull's concerts. I mean, that's just a different energy, And then same with Odeza, like it's like a show, It's not like it's not exactly like concert, it's a show. Like you see some, like, it is crazy to watch that. I still have some crazy videos from that. It's awesome. Maybe I might put some of those videos in here. I mean, it was crazy. It was awesome. If I could go back and find them, I don't know when. It was like August maybe of 2023. But yeah, so today is chest and back day. One of my favorite days. Was planning on going yesterday. Terrible incident happened, but it is what it is. Couldn't really get a workout in, and I was pretty pissed off about that. But we're going there. You know, depending on the way it goes, we'll just shoot up some gear, maybe in the near future. Because why not? No, I'm joking. If I ever did shoot up gear, I'd do extensive research on it. I know a lot of people like say, "Oh, let's just hop on gear. Oh, let's hop on NK. Oh, let's hop on Rad." Like, there's so much stuff you have to get done if you go on that stuff, because that stuff basically suppresses your natural testosterone, and you have to like get tested and then take a PCT, which is like almost like after it, to get yourself back to normal. So, you know, you're not like after a cycle, because you can't take Rad 140 or MK for like ever. You have to like go on and off of it and keep your body in normal levels and keep it healthy. And you have to go on like PCTs and, you know, getting blood tests done and all of this other stuff. I mean, it gets expensive. It's definitely expensive, you know. And if, you know, sometimes I think like if you really are going to go on that, like you might as well go all the way and just hop on gear. Like, you know, no, don't even take a SARM. Like, what's the point of taking a SARM if you're going to have to do all that work and just to, you know, like half-ass it, right? Like all the blood work, all the PCTs, AIs, all of that stuff. Why you should just go all the way. So I don't know. You know, people got to be safe with that stuff. I know some of my buddies have talked about going on it, and I don't think they will, because I know they're broke. Because going on steroids is an expensive hobby, very expensive. So, you know. But yeah, so I'm about to be at the gym. We're gonna head in there. We're gonna crank this workout out, get a couple stretches in, and then I'll see ya. But yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes today. I haven't worked out in a couple of days, so we're gonna see how this goes tonight. All right, I'll see you guys. Yeah.
All right. Well, we're doing construction, so I have no idea how much you can hear, but we're gonna start with some 60s, probably move up to 70, 75. Rotator cuff starting today, so we're gonna see how this goes. Oh, yeah. All right, on to 65s. Ooh, here we go. Works. All right, let's slap some of these real quick. Start out like 30. I don't know. We'll feel this one out a little bit. So it feels. Little upper chest flies. I was feeling great. All right, I'm gonna hop on to our next set. Feeling pretty good right now. Chest is definitely feeling good pump right now, so it's good. Oh man, that's feeling great. Oh my gosh. All right, so we got one more set. We're gonna stick with the 37s. Just try to get as many reps out, even if it means some partials. The chest is feeling great right now, so we're gonna see how this goes. Oh, start. All right, so we are doing 3 sets of this. See how this goes.
What is next?
Light work, baby. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. All right, I think I got like 7 or 8. I don't know. But like you know the normal ones. But that machine's out of use right now. Can't use it, so we'll just do some incline. All right, there we go. Got one. And that's so weird. It's because I've already done an incline movement. I don't know what to do. Don't really any things I want to do, so I guess we're just gonna hop in the back. Yeah, we'll hop in the back. Oh, well, that's feeling good. Let's go to work out the back again. Oh, there we go. Oh, whew. All right, here we go. Back at it. Lower the weight a little bit. Let's get this. Yeah, buddy. I'm around neck. Then to say. Here we go. All right, we're done. We're done. Oh, there we go. we go. Right. There we go. All right, we're gonna see what the pump looks like. I turn the setting differently from when I work out. I think we're looking pretty good today. Definitely losing some fat, that's for sure. Chest looking better today. Let me try to see. All right, let's check out this back. Oh my goodness. Them lats are. Oh yeah. Dude, they start getting crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what this looks like. I don't know how to flex my double butt, but all right, let's see what this last bit looks like. I'm kind of scared for this. Oh man, hold up. Give me a second, man. I'm so tired right now. It's hard to, we're gonna get all the poses though. That's probably one of my favorite right now. Them lats are really starting to poke. Oh man, okay. Let's see if we can flex these lats again. We're gonna try 2 different ones. All right, there's one. Oh man, I really hit that back today. And then here's the other. All right. All right, let's see what that looks like. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's leg day. My legs are covered. Let's see what this is like. So, yeah, let's get this. We're on the cut. We're on the grind, baby. Stay tuned.